Wellington Airport has unveiled a new centrepiece in its main terminal, Manu Muramura. Created by Wētā Workshop, the illuminated sculpture represents the moment in the pūrākau of Te Whanganui Atara, the creation of Wellington Harbour. When the taniwha, Whātaitai, transforms into the bird spirit Manu Muramura, ascending through Rangitatau, the portal between land and sky. This large-scale piece was designed and built by a team of over 50 artists and technicians at Wētā Workshop in Miramar. The sculpture features illuminated artwork under the beak and throat. These were designed by local artist Manukorihi Winiata in the form of a flame with the patterns, a combination of Puhoro for movement, Ngutu Ka, the beak of a kaka, and Koru for new life and growth. The feathers are translucent and reflective, which offer a glittering variety of hues throughout the day as the natural light changes. Soaring high above the terminal floor, Manu Muramura is a powerful first impression and a lasting farewell, connecting travellers to the spirit of this land. We are proud to unveil this sculpture as a reflection of our deep connection to whenua and the stories that have shaped Te Whanganui Atara for generations. We are proud that manuhiri from around the world will experience our story and understand the spiritual significance of this place through Manu Muramura.